Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the revealing text easily in CapCut. So first, you need to add your video to CapCut and then go to text and add your text. So in here, I'm going to add text like this. Then you can always adjust the position and also the size. I'm going to put it in here and adjust the text durations to fit the whole video. Okay, and then after that, export your video. Okay, so you don't need to click on done. You need to go back and here delete the text and go to overlay and add the video that you've just exported, the one with the text. Okay, so in here you just need to fit the size. Okay, and so after this you just need to go to add a keyframe at the beginning of the clip and go to mask. Okay, and choose split, and now rotate the yellow line until it becomes vertical like this, and click on a check icon, and then here drag the yellow line until it cover all of your text. So in here, okay, click on the check icon, move forward a bit and add another keyframe and go to mask again and choose split. Okay, so you need to do this repeatedly until the object or the person move a little in the video. Okay, now I'm going to add another keyframe, and now I'm going to drag the text a bit like this, the line, until the text appear. Click on a check icon, then another keyframe, mask, and then split, and then drag the line again. Okay, so you need to be patient on this. Okay, just a little bit more, and I'm done. Okay, so here is the result for the revealing text on CapCut. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.